What I got here is leaky caliper I just replaced last week on a 2011 Honda Pilot. So I'm going to take this one off and put the new one on and then bleed the brakes. So I'm going to take a 19mm socket and loosen the mount bolts for the bracket off. And I'll loosen with a 17mm. I'll loosen these bolts off to take the caliper off. I just find it easier to do it in two separate pieces. And a 14mm to take the hydraulic line off. I'm going to crack the hydraulic line loose for now. There we go, crack that loose. I need an extension. Get my little impact with a bit in there to make it think it's a little impact drill. These impact, they're a little hard on universal joints. That's why I loosened it already. Now I said I was going to do this a certain way, but I'm curious, just because I didn't do it this way last time. Yeah, to get the brake pads out, I got to take that apart anyways. And this is why I wasn't going to do it that way. So I'll throw the line on here right away. That way I minimize how much fluid I lose. Look at these brass compression washers that you throw in here. Huh. This one even came with a new bolt. Last one did not. So we put the brass bolt, brass fitting, brass caliper, start the bolt. Oh, apparently this one's a different size. It switches to a 12mm. There. Now that minimizes how much fluid I'm going to lose. Lost a bunch, but now I took this off the original caliper, put it on this one. It's the rubber cap for your bleeder, and I would recommend once again transferring it to the next one. I'll just put it down here for now. Does not come with new mount bolts, so you have to reuse the old ones. we go. Now, take these brake pads out. Put the new pad clips in. There's some flats on here. You gotta make sure they line up to fit in the casting. So the flat is against the casting to keep it from pivoting. Snug up all the fittings. I am now ready to bleed the brakes, which I'll have to get a helper for. But that's essentially how it's done. And to bleed the brakes, obviously you have some pump, hold the brake pedal. You release this bleeder screw with a wrench. Air will come out and oil will come out. You tighten it up. Once it stops pushing out, tighten it up, tell them to release the brake. They pump it till it's firm again. Repeat the process till no more air comes out of the nipple. And then your brakes are bled.